Thank you to our Nicaraguan customer for purchasing the EA500H9 rental LED board. EA500H9 rental LED panel features a highly advanced design concept. Every component, including cabinet handles, mounting slots, quick lock locks, corner protectors, and a removable power supply box, exemplifies superior quality. Measuring 500 by 500mm, EA500H9 rental LED panel features high-precision quick lock locks and optional curved locks for easy circular installation. EA500H9 rental LED panel utilizes a hub connect design with a removable power supply box and hub board. When repairs are necessary, the hub board can be removed independently, eliminating the need to dismantle the cabinet, significantly reducing maintenance time. EA500H9 rental LED panel utilizes an innovative magnetic attachment design, combined with front and rear maintenance mechanisms, greatly simplifying installation and significantly improving maintenance efficiency. The 3840Hz high refresh rate, combined with high grayscale and brightness, delivers an ultimate visual experience, ensuring every frame is crisp and smooth.